Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Twitter sensitive content setting. So simply what you need to do, just open your Twitter account. So here you can see my Twitter account is open. So simply go to profile, and now what you need to do, just go down to setting and privacy. So when you open this, just here you can see the privacy and safety option. Just click here and just you can see the content you see. Click here. So here you can adjust the content you want to see, like your topics. Here you can adjust them according to your choice. So when you turn these all options on, you can see the content only according to your need. So now in privacy and safety settings, just click here, and now here you can see your tweet option in privacy and safety section. So simply click on your tweet. So here mark media you tweet as containing material may be sensitive, so turn this option on. So in this way you can easily change Twitter sensitive content setting.